Okay, now let's add a new blank section. So select add section, add blank section, and let's consult our wireframe for a second. We are now up to the testimonials section. But if we look at the design of the testimonials section, it looks pretty familiar. It looks pretty similar to our services and offers section up the top here. This is really good because in Squarespace you can actually save sections and reuse them. So let's jump in and do that now. Let's scroll up to our previous section, and if you hover over it, you'll see that there's this little heart icon. This allows you to save a section. So we'll save the section. Now our section's been saved. If we scroll down to our new we actually didn't need to add a blank section. We scroll down and we select add section, we can add a saved section. So now that we've got this design pretty much in place, we can just look at and refer to our wireframe and copy and paste things out. So it makes the process a lot easier. So let's start off by doing that with our header. We'll paste that in. Let's add our accent at the top. So we'll add a block, text. Just drag this over here. And we'll select mono space, and we're just gonna drag everything down just a little bit so we can put that on top. That's much better. We'll align this to the bottom, and we'll now just drag everything up by 1. Okay, great. Now we're going to change out our images slightly to be our testimonial images and our copy as well. So I'll just quickly copy and paste in the copy. Okay, now that we've got our testimonial copy in place, let's get rid of these button links. We'll just delete those. Let's reuse these because in our mock-up we have our testimonial names highlighted in the same way. So let's paste in our new name here. And this time we do want to keep it black. So we will italicize and bold it. And then we'll just drag this below the image, and we'll drag our shape below as well. Now we'll want to change our stroke color. So go into the pencil icon and select our stroke color. And we'll do this for the rest of them as well. Okay, now that we've done that, let's tweak our overall design. So let's firstly replace our images with our actual customers. Okay, so it looks like we still have an overlay effect. So we want to reduce that. So let's go into our edit pencil, select design, and we want to just drag it down a little bit. And we'll do this for each image. Now we've got a much more consistent look across all of them. So the last thing I'd like to do is actually change the body text to be the same style as our header text. So let's drag our button and line down a little bit and get ready to change our text. So let's make this our heading 4. Okay, that's looking good, but let's center align this. I think we just need a little bit of breathing room between the name and the text now, and the image as well. So let's just drag everything down a little bit. Okay, that's looking good. So now let's do the same to the other two. Okay, now we'll just make this heading 4. And we will center align it, and we'll make this heading 4 and center align it as well. And we'll just bring it down, bring this down as well. That's looking really good. The last thing, just fix this up. But the last thing I'd like to do is make this a slightly different color. So let's head over to our edit section and we'll go to light 1. So this just breaks things up nicely. The last thing I'd like to do is just drag this up to be a little closer to our tiles. Okay, and drag that up. Now we're done with our testimonial section. Everything's looking really good so far. Oh, I can see that I actually don't have the correct copy for that. So let me just fix that quickly. Everything now has the correct copy. I might actually bring all of them down one as well, all of the names. Everything's looking really good so far. Now we can move on to the next section. And if we consult our wireframe, we can see that that is the final CTA section. We're so close now.